If your West Valley City home still has its original windows, you may be wondering whether upgrading is really worth it. At first glance, windows may not look drastically different from decades past. But modern replacement windows are engineered with advanced materials and technology that significantly improve comfort, energy efficiency, durability, and overall performance. In a climate like West Valley cities, with cold, snowy winters and warm, sunny summers, those differences can have a meaningful impact on your home and your monthly energy bills. Advanced energy-efficient glass technology. One of the biggest differences between modern replacement windows and older models is the glass itself. Older windows often feature single-pane glass, minimal insulation, basic aluminum spacers, no heat reflective coatings. Modern replacement windows, on the other hand, typically include double or triple pane insulated glass, argon or krypton gas fills between panes, low emissivity coatings, warm edge spacer systems. Low E coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light inside. In winter, they help retain indoor warmth. In summer, they reduce solar heat gain. This balance is especially important in West Valley City, where seasonal temperature swings can be dramatic. Improved frame materials. Older windows often used wood or aluminum frames. While wood offers classic appeal, it requires regular maintenance and can be vulnerable to moisture damage. Aluminum frames conduct heat easily, reducing insulation performance. Modern replacement windows commonly use multi-chambered vinyl frames, fiberglass frames, composite materials. These materials are designed to resist warping, cracking, and corrosion. They also provide better insulation, helping to reduce drafts during West Valley City's cold winters. Superior sealing and weather protection. Air leakage is one of the most common issues with older windows. Over time, seals break down, weather stripping wears out, and frames shift due to temperature changes. Modern replacement windows feature compression weather stripping, fusion welded frame corners, advanced locking systems that pull sashes tightly into the frame. Because of these improvements, today's windows create a much tighter seal, reducing air infiltration and moisture intrusion. In West Valley City's climate, where wind, snow, and rain can test your home's exterior, this improved sealing makes a noticeable difference. Enhanced security features. Older windows often have basic locking mechanisms that provide limited protection. Modern windows are designed with enhanced security in mind. Upgraded features may include multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass options, stronger hardware components. These advancements provide greater peace of mind for homeowners. Better sound reduction. If you live near busy streets or active neighborhoods in West Valley City, outside noise can affect your indoor comfort. Modern insulated glass units help reduce sound transmission. Multi-pane construction and tight seals create an effective barrier against outdoor noise, something older single-pane windows struggle to achieve. Easier operation and maintenance. Over time, older windows may become difficult to open or close due to warped frames, worn tracks, or damaged hardware. Modern replacement windows are engineered for smooth operation and long-term reliability. Many designs include tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning and corrosion-resistant components that withstand daily use. Additionally, vinyl and fiberglass frames require minimal upkeep compared to traditional wood frames. Greater long-term value. Because modern replacement windows improve insulation, durability, and security, they often deliver long-term cost savings through lower energy bills and reduced maintenance expenses. They also enhance curb appeal and resale value, important considerations for West Valley City homeowners thinking about future property value. A noticeable upgrade for West Valley City homes. While older windows may still function, they simply cannot match the performance of modern replacement windows. From advanced glass technology to improved sealing systems and durable frame materials, today's windows are built to handle West Valley City's climate more effectively. Upgrading isn't just about appearance, it's about creating a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and secure home that performs better in every season.